Hello.
We thought we would end the year 2024 with a merry and bright theme. What do you think? I think we all need a little merry and brightness because that sun is going down way too early.
So you'll find lots of bright colors in this collection. It's definitely a little inspired by the young ones in our life, but with some adult fun twists for those more advanced crafters.
Yeah, well, you know, the young ones in our life, but yet I really do love wearing this little hat on my head. So why not? Maybe we should wear these tomorrow for dinner, huh? All right, so let's talk about our collection this month. We are going to start with these little cuties. Of course, we love our Pocket Pals. So here are two new ones to go into the collection. They have little Christmas light sleeping bags.
This one here?
Yes. So we have our little polar bear.
And we have a little reindeer.
Look at all the detail.
I love the Christmas sweaters.
I know, the Christmas sweaters. And I'm telling you, if you have another Pocket Pal that you love and you want to take that animal and make it a Christmas version, you could just make this little sweater. So very mix and matchable. All right.
And next up we have the Christmas wreath. This is felt or winter wreath.
Yeah,
this
winter
is a
wreath.
winter wreath. This is made from felt, and my favorite part are these little felt pine cones, which have this dual color, and they're so cute.
They're so detailed, and this you can use year after year. I can see this putting on, you know, internal doors in your house, especially maybe for the little ones.
It is nice because the felt won't react quite as much with the weather, like the crepe paper.
I would still probably keep it indoors. That's just me, but you do what you want to do. Okay, we also have another headband, and this one we had it in a white version, and we decided to make it in more of a traditional color palette. We have a cute little picture of our office friend who came in and modeled for us, and she loved wearing this.
I love the little bells.
I do too. And again, this is something you can make for someone as a gift. You can use it year after year. It's, you know, it's felt, so it will last.
Easy. And speaking of things you can use year after year, we have our throwback this month for our felt category is the bright, and does it say merry and bright?
Bright, yes, merry and bright.
This is the garland made out of felt to look like little lights, and I just love this one.
And of course, you could put any words on that. I think Be Merry and Bright is perfect for lights, but you could use Merry Christmas or
you can just leave it blank.
Or leave it blank, or whatever your preferred words are for this holiday.
Great. And for our other throwback project, we have these adorable little gnome peg dolls.
They're so easy to make, and I know we have our little friend in the office that likes to come and play, and we have a bunch of peg dolls, and that's her favorite toy. So
cute.
I think they're a classic. I think it's a great one to add to your collection, whether you have children or grandchildren, or even if you just have some little ones coming over to visit.
They'd also be a great, like, a little mantle decoration. If you have a tiny village, add some little gnome peg dolls.
And gnomes are kind of year-round, so there we have it. All right. The next thing on our list are these. We wanted to make more of the felt ball ornaments to go with our woodland set, and this one is the penguin and then the polar bear.
This is a great craft for any beginner crafters, as there's no sewing involved, just some gluing once you have all the pieces cut out. And
I made a pile.
We have so many of them.
Yes, now I'm going to go decorate the Christmas tree.
Perfect.
So, yay.
We have a whole flock of penguins.
We do. All right.
And speaking of decorating the Christmas tree, these are some little snowflakes with colorful embroidered thread decorations added in, and it looks like they're sandwiched, so they're two-sided. And
I think these again are really great for the beginner who wants to learn how to do some embroidery. Very easy stitches, and you know, I love these bright colors. I'm really digging the purple and lavender for Christmas, along with the red and the pink.
And the pink, it's a great combination. It really adds that cheerful, refreshed, bright feeling. And yes, it looks like we have
but any color. You could use any color that you'd like.
And you were saying this is great for beginners, and it looks like there's about 3 or 4 different stitches in all of these. So really great if you want to learn some basic embroidery.
And we do have the Basic Embroidery 101 for you, so you can go and watch that if you want to learn some stitches.
From me.
Yes, and you can even gift that. That is such a beautiful gift for someone who is interested, because you can get the little kit that goes with it.
Yeah.
Little side note there. Okay.
And next up we have, speaking of colors, I think this is so fun. I want this on my door right now. This is a wreath made from felt balls, and it's all glued onto an embroidery hoop, the outside section of the embroidery hoop, to get this really fabulous shape. This is a great, easy project.
It is, and it just takes hot glue. That's it.
I would have this up year round. I think it's so cute.
I think it is too. Yep. All right, our next project is another one that is part of our series that everyone loves so much. And this one I feel is perfect for all ages.
Yes, this is a little bit of a simpler take on my layered watercolor series that I've been doing. If you've been wanting to try one but have been feeling a little intimidated, this is a great one to start with, and you could either leave the tree undecorated or decorate it with anybody's help or by yourself.
Yeah.
Custom decorations. I chose the pink color scheme because I just thought it was so cute in our collection, but you could do any color you want.
Yes, we love the versatility. Okay, another paper project that we have are these adorable little poppers. And these can be made for Christmas or for New Year, whatever you'd like.
Christmas crackers.
Yeah, Christmas crackers. I love seeing these on like a dining room table.
Just makes me want to see what's inside.
I know, and I've been holding everybody back from popping these or cracking these. So cute and very, very easy to make. You can use any color of cardstock for that.
And we next have what we have already showed you on our heads. These very cute Christmas tree headbands. I honestly feel like I would just make these and put them on my mantle.
Yeah.
Because they're so cute. I don't have a mantle, but on my
could.
table.
You could use them as decoration, or even, this one's glued on so it's straight, but this one actually is flexible. And I thought, how fun would this be to set this on your Christmas brunch table?
You can just put it on.
Right, along with a cracker.
Cute.
Yeah, that would be so cute. So go for it. I think that would be fun for everyone to have one of these tree hats.
Oh, look at this picture.
I know. Isn't that so cute? Yes, very cute.
Okay, and you can do that one.
Okay, so we have, it is gift wrapping time here and everywhere else. So we wanted to inspire you with a few little tree gift toppers that are paper cut. These are really fun. They're layered. They have the words joy in them if you want. You can layer any color palette you like, and of course the purple, red, and green is what we're kind of going for this
Love
year.
it.
Yeah,
This is a nice, easy cut project.
it is. Now we're moving over to our paper flowers section. We always leave that for last because it's such a favorite.
Yes.
Yeah.
And for our first and our throwback project this month, we have our snowdrops. These are crepe paper snowdrops. We put them here in this little vase, and I think they're just so cute. One of my favorite flowers, and they don't last long enough, so happy to see them year round.
Yeah, these are definitely some of my favorites, and I actually put these in an arrangement this year. I put them back for our video here, but I mean, you can't put snowdrops in an arrangement. They just won't last, but you can if they're crepe paper, and they looked so pretty.
So cute.
Yes. Okay, another flower that we have that's brand new is this camellia. And this is, I cannot remember the name of it.
Well,
All of a
we
sudden-
know it's a double-sided paper, camellia, and it's gorgeous in this bright red. And I think these would look so good in a holiday arrangement.
They do. You could use them all year round as well. And I love it because the back is a darker red than the front. And you can't really see it on video, but it's just so stunning in person.
I don't know if you can.
Yeah.
But.
And then the centers are just super detailed. So this is a fairly easy flower that you can make. It does come with leaves. They're often in an arrangement somewhere, and we decided to leave them there. But they do come with leaves as well, and the leaves are beautiful.
Yay.
Yeah.
And another thing that we pulled out of this arrangement, this sneaky arrangement that she keeps mentioning, are these purple berry branches to bring in that purple color. These are really lovely. These use our paper spun balls and some paint.
Very easy to make. and make a great filler for any arrangement.
With some color, a little pop of color.
Yes.
And in this picture you can see there in our paper vases, people often ask us if we have any paper vases, and I direct them over to these, which I think are just so cute and overlooked.
Yeah, they're really pretty. Yeah, we could make them in all kinds of colors as well. So this arrangement that I keep talking about, I did not give Matthew a photo to pop it up on the screen, so apologies for that. However, if you go over to our shop in a few days, not today because we have our sale going, it will be in our shop. You'll see the arrangement right there in our header. So it's
lovely.
really beautiful.
Great.
It's a kind of a twist on a Christmas arrangement. All right.
I loved it.
It was really pretty. It was very unconventional, but yet Christmas. So speaking of unconventional Christmas, our December member make flower is actually a member request, and it is the geranium, which is not really a Christmas flower, but it's kind of an all year round because you can have these inside or in your little patio gardens.
Yes, and I just love the little tiny flower clusters in this project along with this flat leaf. This is the new leaf technique that Megan's been using quite a bit.
Yeah.
And I just think they look so beautiful.
And if you can see here, we have some of the little tiny buds. Here, I'll turn it around. You can see these little tiny buds. So there's just so much detail on this, and we'll be doing that member make video, and that's for all members. It will be December 13th.
Yes, December 13th. Come and join us for our live make along. We'd love to see you there. And in the meantime, I think that's everything.
Yeah, we have a few videos. We just did a poinsettia that's available for everyone. It's on our YouTube channel as well as in our site. So that's free for everyone if you want to go make that. That's very fun.
Yep.
And just a reminder that all of the materials and tools that we have here, you can find them in our shop at feltpaperscissors.com.
And you can find all of our templates and patterns on our subscription website, leahgriffith.com.
Yes, so I don't know, what do you think? This is a really beautiful way to end 2024.
I agree, and I love a little bit of a twist on classic Christmas, and I think this is just such a fun way to do it.
Yes.
So glad we got to do it together.
And we're looking forward to see you in 2025. We have some beautiful things coming,
Yay.
so we'll see you back then.
Bye.